5 seconds to go. Start. The GST Council, in its meeting held on 30th September 2016, had resolved that all entities exempted from payment of indirect tax would pay tax in the GST regime. It had also resolved that the decision to continue with any incentive given to specific industries in existing industrial policies of states or through any schemes of the central government would be with the concerned state or central government. It was further resolved that in the event it was decided by the concerned state or central government to continue any existing exemption, incentive, etc., then it would be administered by way of a reimbursement mechanism through the budgetary route. The modalities of the same were to be worked out by the concerned state center. In pursuance of the said recommendations of the GST Council, the central government notified the budgetary support scheme wide notification dated 5th October 2017, thereby providing to refund reimburse the central share of CGST and IGST to the affected eligible industrial units for the residual period in the northeastern and the Himalayan states. The central share was determined at 58% of CGST and 29% of IGST. Being aggrieved by the decision of the central government in restricting the refund only to 58% of CGST and 29% of IGST and not providing 100% refund of CGST, the appellant Hero Motorcorp Ltd approached the Delhi High Court by way of writ petition being writ petition civil number 505 of 2020, and the appellant Sun Pharma Laboratories Limited approached the Sikkim High Court by way of writ petition being writ petition civil number 47 of 2018. The Delhi High Court void its judgment and order dated 2nd March 2020, and the Sikkim High Court void its judgment and order dated 5th February 2021 have dismissed the said writ petitions. Being aggrieved by the dismissal of the writ petitions, the appellants, the original writ petitioners, have approached this court. We have heard Shri S. Ganesh, learned senior counsel, appearing on behalf of the appellant Hero Motorcorp Ltd in civil appeal arising out of special leave petition civil number 12397 of 2020, Shri V. Siridharan, learned senior counsel, appearing on behalf of the appellant Sun Pharma Laboratories Limited in civil appeal arising out of special leave petition civil number 11978 of 2021, and Shri N. Venkataraman, learned additional solicitor general, appearing on behalf of the respondent Union of India. Shri S. Ganesh, learned senior counsel, submits that the perusal of the said OM of 2003 would reveal that an unequivocal representation was made by the central government to the commercial entities which were desirous of setting up industrial units in the states of Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh that in the event a new industry is established or there is a substantial expansion of the existing unit, then such industrial units would be entitled to 100% exemption from payment of excise duty for 10 years. Stop.